clear answer is now available to the question of why the Tu-214 aircraft is required when Russia is already on the verge of producing the MC-21. First Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov, in an interview with Vedomosti, said that the Tu-214 aircraft, despite the inefficiency of its engines, will become a true safety cushion in the implementation of plans for import substitution in the aviation industry. It has proven itself well as a special-purpose and cargo aircraft worldwide, so there's no need to worry about demand for this model. In the publication, he was asked to comment on the Federal Aviation project, which aims to produce 994 civilian aircraft in Russia by 2030, and whether these figures are justified. According to Manturov, this number of aircraft is necessary for Russia, as, in addition to transporting the declared number of passengers, foreign aircraft that gradually go out of service will need to be replaced. Here's where it gets interesting. Manturov spoke at length about the sanctions against the MC-21. Then he said, "Moreover, the Tu-214 should serve as a safety cushion in this regard, with plans to organize the production of about 20 aircraft per year by the end of 2026. Funds for this have already been allocated." The publication further asked, is there any commercial sense in this, considering that the engines for this aircraft are very inefficient? Even Aeroflot, although planning to order the Tu-214, won't operate them itself. Manturov replied, "In such decisions, two aspects are closely intertwined: economics and national security. For example, special-purpose aircraft will be produced in any case. Additionally, the Tu-214 has proven itself quite well as a cargo aircraft with various airlines worldwide, including Germany's DHL. So I have no concerns about the demand for these aircraft." Just to give you a background on the above question, it is known that Aeroflot will take the first batch, 11, of Tu-214s in a standard design. That is, technically, it will be the same aircraft that is currently manufactured for special customers. The airline has waived the requirement for a 2-member crew. Currently, there are 3 pilots in the Tu-214, but has set a condition to improve the passenger cabin, a total of 99 changes. Of course, this request will also be not accepted, as it will push deliveries further. Let's also talk a bit about the engine issue. Tu-214 flies with PS-90A engines, which are certified by ARIAC and fully comply with international requirements for noise on the ground and emissions of harmful substances into the atmosphere. However, there are more efficient variants of this engine, the latest being the PS-90A3 and its improved version, PS-90A3M. These are the Russian equivalents of the PS-90A2, which was an upgrade of PS-90A, carried out by Russia and Pratt & Whitney. The PS-90A2 engines with a thrust of 16,000 kilograms were developed specifically for the Iranian-specific Tu-214SM, which received an AR-MAC type certificate in December 2009, are more economical, the reliability of which was 1.52 times higher than the basic version PS-90A. We have made a video on this engine, and we will add it in the description. As in the case of the Aeroflot order, Russia does not probably want to integrate the latest versions right now, as it will push the production. If the engines are inefficient, can PD-14 be installed in Tu-214? The PD-14 engines are not suitable for the Tu-214, since it needs engines with a takeoff thrust of 16 tons, and the PD-14 produces only 14 tons of thrust. These engines are for lighter aircraft, such as the MS-21-300 and Tu-204-300, short fuselage. Now, do you think Tu-214 will be discontinued once MC-21 production stabilizes? Let us know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Also, join our memberships to encourage us.